Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a blessed Thursday afternoon. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus package update. President Biden expects Congress to approve the new spending infrastructure bills very soon. And if you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please do make sure to watch until the end of this video. U.S. President Joe Biden on Thursday expressed confidence that Congress will pass both a bill funding infrastructure investments and a supplementary spending bill. Democrats in Congress are writing a $3.5 trillion spending bill that funds childcare, community college, and other social programs, with an increase in taxes on companies and the very wealthy. The party also seeks to pass a massive package as a companion to a $1 trillion infrastructure bill that has a bipartisan support. President Biden stated, "I know we still have a long way to go, but I'm confident that Congress will deliver to my desk both the bipartisan infrastructure plan and the Build Back Better plan, which I proposed." Biden later had a positive discussion with House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer about progress in advancing the bills. They also discussed plans to pass a continuing resolution to fund government operations. The White House said they also discussed plans to pass a continuing resolution to fund government operations. The resolution must be passed by the end of September to keep government operations funded. While the infrastructure plan has support on both sides of the aisle, Democrats in the Senate, where they narrowly hold control, face a tough battle to finalize a plan that would expand the social safety net. As Republicans decline to support or negotiate on the $3.5 trillion package, Senate Democrats are taking a route known as budget reconciliation to pass a bill with a simple majority vote. The party must convince moderate members in its own ranks, like Senators Joe Manchin of West Virginia and Kristen Sinema of Arizona, to back the bill. Both senators have raised questions about the size and scope of the program.
My plan benefits ordinary Americans, not those at the top who don't need the help. It's a historic middle-class tax cut, cutting taxes for over 50 million families. My Republican friends are making a different choice, though. They'd rather protect the tax breaks of those at the very top than give tax breaks to working families. It's that simple. But let me ask you this. Where is it written all the tax breaks in the American tax code go to corporations and the very top? I think it's enough. I'm tired of it. For me, it's pretty simple. It's about time working people got the tax breaks in this country. That's what my plan does. And here's what it also does. By asking big corporations and the very wealthy to pay their fair share, it makes it possible to invest in America, to invest in the American people. According to leading economists, forecasters like Moody's and major international financial institutions, my plan will create jobs, make us more competitive, and grow our economy and lessen, not increase, inflationary pressure. I don't know if it's been handed out today, but by the way, 15 Nobel laureates in economics released a letter yesterday arguing that exact same point. They said, and I quote, and this is from 15 Nobel laureates in economics, quote, "Because this agenda, the one I'm talking about, mine, because this agenda invests in long-term economic capacity and will enhance the ability of more Americans to participate productively in the economy, it will ease long-term inflationary pressures. It will ease it." Let me highlight just a few provisions of my plan. I know this is long, and I apologize, but it's important, I think. My plan lowers the cost of daycare and childcare and elder care for families.
As Democrats charge ahead with writing their massive $3.5 trillion spending bill, at least one moderate Republican is warning the bipartisan infrastructure bill may lose GOP votes because it is too intertwined with the reconciliation bill. Representative Dusty Johnson told Fox News, "I think Nancy Pelosi did this whole process a real disservice by linking them together so strongly and she continues to do just that. And that makes it very difficult to bring Republicans to the party. I think for honest fiscal conservatives, it is hard to get excited about the $1 trillion deal if anyway it makes it more likely that the $3.5 trillion deal passes. So everyone, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with Republicans or Democrats? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Billions of dollars have already been put into the hands of taxpayers through the American Recovery Act to help people recover from this crisis. Yesterday, the third payment of the enhanced federal child tax credit was delivered to families with children under 18 years old. This will be the third check in a series of 6 payments. People who receive the money with a physical check will have to wait for the mail to arrive. This series of checks started in July and ends in December. It is the first half of the larger child tax credit. Families will get the second half of the money when they file their taxes in 2022. Everyone, the key word for this video is paper. If you're interested in winning a $100 Walmart gift card, please make sure to comment below this keyword. Be subscribed to my channel and also like this video. Thank you so much, everyone. Congress expanded the maximum amount of the child tax credit from $2,000 to $3,600 for each child this year. For each child under the age of 6 years old, families will receive $300. Between the ages of 6 and 17 years old, families will receive $250. Even people who do not normally make enough money to file taxes can still receive the credit. Single filers with an adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less will get the full benefit. The same goes for married couples who are filing jointly and earn less than $150,000 a year. The expanded credit phases out at an adjusted gross income of $95,000 and $170,000 respectively. Those families will still receive a regular tax credit. A group of Democratic senators, including Ron Wyden of Oregon, Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts, and Bernie Sanders of Vermont, just sent a letter to President Biden requesting recurring direct payments and automatic unemployment insurance extensions tied to economic conditions. As the 3 senators reasoned in their letter, this crisis is far from over, and families deserve certainty that they can put food on the table and keep a roof over their heads. Families should not be at the mercy of constantly shifting legislative timelines and ad hoc solutions. An earlier letter to President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris from 53 representatives led by Ilhan Omar of Minnesota carved out a similar position. Additional co-signers included New York's Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Michigan's Rashida Tlaib, 2 other notable names among House progressives. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here today. I greatly and truly appreciate it. Please make sure to enter the keyword for this video, be subscribed to my channel, and also like this video to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Thursday.